Hey there, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. If you are passionate about cooking from different states, knowing more about management courses, deep dive into arts and craft works, my visa interview experiences from India, life journey in USA, and many more. If you wanna know about all this, then you are in a right place. My name is Janu, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through this exciting and astonishing journey. I'll promise that you will definitely find something unique and worthwhile. Make sure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Be sure and hit the subscribe button below. And please do share with all your family and friends. Thank you for being with me and can't wait to do further videos. Thank you.